everyone, welcome back to Arabic Pathway, Masar al-Arabiya. In today's video, we're going to learn the month of the year in Arabic. So you listen and you repeat after me. Yanayir, Yanayir, January. February, February, February. Maris, Maris, March. April, April, April. Mayo, Mayo, May. Junho, Junho, June. Julio, Julio, July. Augustus, Augustus, August. September, September, September. October, October, October. November, 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 November. December, December, December. Mashallah, you just learned a month of the year in Arabic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.